What's up, beautiful pet nature family? In today's video we're gonna be showing how to make mustard oil. The whole process, step to step. First we pick them, which is this process right here.
This is how you do it. You grab it at the bottom and pull it out. Oh, that one got tangled. You don't really want to pull out the other grasses and things. Take out the bottom. Oh, and the next one. Quite easy,
And the seeds are in here.
Yeah, the seeds are in here.
Step 1. Learning the local ways of making Nepalese mustard oil.
Mustard seed oil.
Mustard seed oil.
We're harvesting mustard seeds right now.
It's amazing. Look at this beautiful stuff. Good job.
Good job.
Here's a flower of the mustard flower.
And they're helping with the gardening, huh?
Yeah. Yes, what is it planting corn, you know? It's growing corn. See. It's corn. It's a berry corn.
Cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
See, brother.
Yeah.
See, golden chance to.
Perfect.
They're sowing corn seeds.
On our way back to eat some lunch from picking mustard seeds. God bless you all. Little goats on the way. Just wanted to catch them, they're cute. We love you. Beautiful.
They will build for the flying, you know? Yeah. It's a coffee.
Coffee!
Wow.
Coffee plant.
Colour.
These are the dried, basically dried mustard seeds.
Taste of mustard.
I think this is the next step, just dry them.
This is the next step in Yogi Lai.
Yeah. And then I think we're gonna take out the seeds.
In a special way, probably.
Yeah.
And
And
you
go.
hit them. That's what I learned from the farm.
Yeah.
You hit them with a stick and it all kind of
Oh.
falls out. Because like, you know, it's really easy to...
Yeah. They fall everywhere. You hear like a beautiful local process of making oil, huh?
Beautiful.
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 Step 2. Get all the seeds out. Oh wow.
I wasn't expecting it to be with your feet.
This is fun. It just keeps going. First you do it with the feet, then you do the last with the hands. And you get this.
Mustard seeds.
Beautiful. We're having a little tea break. Can you show again, like dig the seeds like that? Oh yeah. Can you show?
The little seeds. Oh. We can move all these guys out of the way.
This is what our step-in has accomplished. And this is gonna become beautiful, organic, fresh mustard oil straight from the Nepalese mountains.
Mustard seed oil.
This is as organic as you can find it in the whole world, basically.
Holy moly.
Holy moly. Carrot snack boss. Halfway through.
Local homegrown carrots.
Because that's what you do in the heaven.
Look at this one.
Straight from the source. Oh, we did it.
We did it. This pile moved over there.
And stomped on and grooved.
Only took like 2 or 3 hours.
Ooh.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, brother.
Dal bhat, yeah? Dal
Oh.
bhat.
Full power.
Full power Nepali food. This one. This is the next step. Makes sense now. The
Yeah.
big sieve thing. To separate these guys. Like a pea pod. Seed pod.
A huge pile of mustard seeds.
There's a pretty big pile.
I don't know which video this is gonna be a part of, but it's gonna be cut into something. Or just this video by itself. Chilling with the buffaloes, feeding the buffaloes. This one is the one we get milk from. It's moved location. We've been feeding them hay, water,
And some oats.
and they were really thirsty. Look at the horns, those beautiful horns, beautiful creature. And it's just a little Krishna,
Oh,
a big Krishna.
they like ear rubs.
Who doesn't like an ear rub?
Oh, there's a good one, huh? Look at that. Oh. Oh. Fair enough. What about the other one? Oh. Here comes the water.
Oh.
Alright. You gonna get some more water, guys? You gonna get some more water?
The big one's thirsty. Happy buffaloes. This is what happens when there's no bus. God gives us a perfect timing with a lift. When we walk down to the place where the bus goes from, it's just this car is standing here. Ooh. Bumpy, bumpy. And we're going to a jungle party.
We're leaving the jungle to go to a different jungle.
Oh, the other side of the jungle. The other side, like over there.
It's Nepali New Year tomorrow.
Oh, tonight.
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 Oh my god, there's no
Maybe I'll show some more when we... Oh!